Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, depending on where you're watching from. My name is Samuel Okoyocha, reaching you from Biafra in West Africa, right in my village of in Anambra State. Okay, I want to bring you weekly analysis. That is for the analysis for the third week of August. The time now is 7:09 p.m. in West Africa. Okay, I start with DXY. DXY, DXY, the price is still going up. The price is still going up. Maybe we will have a kind of running flat as expected to come to this blue box, which is around 94, 95. Before the selling continue, you can see the price is going down. So we are just having A, B, C. So and the C is yet to complete. So it's still correcting to the upside. Remember, the DXY is going to it's something, it's 6, it's 7. Then we will know what will happen again. Let's see 4 hours chart. 4 hours chart. We expect, just as I said, it is maybe we may. It's either we have, either we get a complete A, B, C, or this chart may turn to be a kind of flat, because this is start of wave A and wave B is almost where wave A started. So we may get maybe a flat. That is the move down will end somewhere here or even before here. Either expanding flat, normal flat, or running flat. So we keep watching, but the way it's dropping, this move shows some strength. So I assume that we're going to have 5 waves. This is 1, this is 2, 3 is developing. After that, we get 4 and 5. So get your mind, get prepared. There are still rooms to trade to downside. As a matter of fact, when the market opens, if we get correction from here, then it's good to sell the last drop, because this is 4 hours, so it's still a very there are still rooms to make some profit. And if correction starts from here, if it doesn't come down lower before it's correct, if the correction starts from here, there will be a stop loss. Then the profit will be anywhere below this level. You take profit. Okay, so we move on. USD, as we know, it is always the inverse of DXY. So as DXY is correcting to the downside, USD is correcting to the higher side. So now we expect the price to move towards this channel. Then we will see the price go down once more to complete the move. Remember, we said that we are expecting the price to go to 1.16 or below, and it went to 1.17 and reversed, and making the correction anyway. So I expect some move again between here and here to the downside. So you get prepared to take the trade. JPY. JPY, I'm expecting another drop. It's behaving as if it will no longer drop, but I am strongly of the opinion that we're going to drop to this level, or at least below the current previous low. So that's what I'm expecting. That's what I'm expecting. So we watch for the drop. Even if you don't get the drop, maybe after the drop, you watch out for buy setup. Then we buy. Euro AUD. Euro AUD. I'm also expecting a drop on Euro AUD. Another sell setup. I'm expecting this cipher pattern to develop, to complete. See, I'm gradually entering into cipher. I want to combine Elliott wave and harmonic patterns. It will be an added advantage, but gradually I'm learning the harmonics. So this pattern is called cipher pattern, and this is developing. It's a composite the X leg, B C A B leg, B C leg. So the CD leg, the D leg is on the move. Okay, and 2 hours chart give us more option to believe that we're gonna have the D leg drop, and so the market is going sideways inside here. The market is to go sideways, but eventually it will drop. So watch out for the sell. Here will be the stop loss. Then, or better still, you may open a sell stop somewhere here, somewhere below here, sell stop, because once it begins to drop, it's gonna go down to 1.575, 574 or thereabout. Okay, we move. The next is Euro New Zealand. Euro New Zealand, remember this Euro New Zealand, this A, B, C, D, E, and I said that if the price doesn't go up above this level, we set it down there. It happened exactly the way we said it should. Now, what next? Are we going to buy it immediately? To me, we need to watch it on our time frame to know what is happening. But remember, it's according to our target. So I don't expect it to go below this blue box, but it can. And to be on the safe side, this is what we do. If you don't know, if you don't know, if you can't recognize buy setup at this level, then wait for it to go above this. Once it go above this level, forget it. It will be going higher and higher. But it will be good to go to 1 hour and look for buy setup, because I think we may get something like this. Then buying from here will make a lot of sense. But you need to know how to do it. If you don't know how to do it and you try to do it anyhow, you may make mistakes and you lose. Remember, I offer lessons. I train students who want to learn from me. So and I still have chance to accommodate many students. So if you can, if you want to learn, then join my class. Okay. Euro New Zealand, this is Euro New Zealand 2 hours. You see this pattern, I think this is a crab pattern, or is it butterfly? I forgot, but this is one of the patterns I'm learning on harmonics. And you see this one completed with a kind of a little overstretched, or maybe with some little extension. And you know, this is a reversal candle. And once we get a move, once we get, see what we, if we get a move like this, then we will get a complete reversal pattern. I mean, corrective pattern, then buying from here makes sense. But if the move doesn't or wasn't clear enough, wait for it to close above this level. Just like what I said on the 4-hour chart, this is 2-hour chart, but not much difference. Only to see it in more details. That's why I opened the 2-hour chart. Okay, Euro CHF dropped as expected. Remember, I said that we expect a drop from here, but if it goes above this level, then the buying will start. But anyway, I bought around here because I know how to enter the buy from 1-hour time frame, and I closed the trade yesterday being Friday. So this drop is strong. So this is what I expect will happen. By Monday, it may do something like this. I mean, from Monday, then it can drop again. After this drop, then we will know whether we get this or if the drop is still strong, maybe we may get a new low or a retest of this low. So don't be in a haste to sell, don't be in a haste to buy. Let us see corrective move before we sell. And let us see a reversal pattern before we buy. Euro CHF, oh, I took the two, sorry, the same Euro CHF. Let me remove one. Euro CAD. Euro CAD could not have Euro CAD. This is our target, but I don't think we are coming back here. We may not get to the blue box because you know when the price came in here, I told you that we may not even that it may end anywhere below this level. Then it dropped this far. So in my opinion, this is wave one. We will likely get wave two between tomorrow and next tomorrow, maybe in 3 waves, something like this. Then wave 3, wave 4, and 5. So I can only see a reason to buy on Euro CAD, no reason to sell for now. Euro GBP. For a long time, Euro GBP have been playing on our intelligence. But lastly, it has confirmed that it is buying. Hence, it closed above this level. And the Euro GBP nearly hit my stop loss last week, just about 3 to 4 pips, and it reversed. Okay, but now wait for correction and join the buyers. Remember, the buying is a partial buying. That is, the buying you buy based on 1 hour time frame. Before you make your trade on upside, based on 4 hour time frame, it will close above this level because it may still reverse from here and come down again. Okay, so that's for Euro GBP. Okay, okay, see the 1 hour on Euro GBP. That's very nice. Okay, so you can see now this is 1, this is 2. This 3 seems to have completed, and wave 4 is correcting, though not in a clear manner, but nevertheless is correcting. So it may develop in any manner. It may do something like this. It may do something like this. We may get a kind of sharp move, sharp down before the finally move. And if we get this type of move, maybe it remember it have touched this, but I think it may still have a kind of some moves, some swings before it go up. If it happens the way we forecasted, then expect a 1, 2, 3, that is ABC. And after this, we may see it break this level. So that's to say, I don't see it going up to break this level next week, unless it began to move on Monday, Tuesday, then maybe by Friday, we may break this level. Okay, so for now, I only see reason to buy, no reason to sell. USD CAD. USD CAD is delaying the drop, but I know it's gonna drop. It's delaying the drop. This type of trade is trade that tests your patience. So once you can be patient, the best thing to do is to place a sell stop at this low, because when it will drop very sharply, and there will be the stop loss. So this drop, in my opinion, it's gonna happen. And as a matter of fact, I only see a reason to sell, no reason to buy on USD CAD. USD JPY is dropping, but USD CAD is not dropping. And I see the dropping continues. When market opens, we may either see a further drop, or we see sideways, and another drop. So 2 things I'm expecting. First, a drop. That is a drop that will go below this level. Secondly, a little drop and this. So now, which one do you follow? You watch out. If you get correction from here, you say this drop, and if this drop is strong enough, it will go to this level. If it wasn't strong, we look for buy when the selling stops, because likely this might be the bottom. It's likely here is the bottom, but not a must here is the bottom. So watch out. We may see, we may even go to 1.108, 108.3.4.5. So we watch what happens the first and second day when market opens. USD CHF, after making this move, is now dropping, and is dropping very fast. So just like USD, when market opens, we watch what happens, whether the drop will continue without giving us corrections. But even if the drop continues, it may continue in the first 2-3 hours of the day, then we will likely get this and further drop. So we may get this yellow line as our support before this up move, or it may end inside the blue box. So both of them, I can, and of course on this one, I can also reason to sell for now until I see the price down here, before I will consider, before I will look for buy setup. For now, no buy setup. USD ZAR, I'm expecting it to drop to this level. This is B. Wave C is what I expect. Now the question is, the wave C, will we get a zigzag or flat? You know, we may get a contracting flat, in which case the C leg may end before this low. Then price may go up from here. But at least I'm looking for a drop. Even if the price is going up, I won't bother. I would like it to go up, because it may still go up close above the current high before dropping. And if it goes above the current high, expect a running flat, which means you will see we end around here, the price will go up. AUD CAD made some tricks last week. It made some tricks last week. So let me find the chart and show you the trick it made. That is why nothing is guaranteed in the market. Let me show you in the real market. You know, all this I'm showing you the charts are prepared for those who are on my Telegram group and my students. I'll post the charts for them, and then we see everything live. So I want to show you the trick AUD CAD made last week. Because I don't know what to call it for trick. See, this the break of this channel is a good buy setup. And you know what? After the break of this channel, and I see this 3 waves pull back, I entered the buy from here, and the market kept dropping. Because my stop loss is little above the low, it couldn't kill my stop loss. Then it reversed, and because of what happened, I took profits immediately. It goes above this level. So now, what next on this pair? I like the pair. I can buy it again, but I would like to see. Maybe something like this. Then I will buy again. But it is a buy market. Judging from 1 hour, 4-hour chart, is a buy market. Okay, you can see it is a buy market. This move is a very strong move. But this move somehow is a correction, but it's somehow too fast and too steep. Okay, so that's all for this. I think let me continue with the live chart. Where am I? AUD card. Okay, AUD USD. Let me go to AUD USD. Let me use live chart. AUD USD. AUD USD. I'm expecting the price to drop. Okay, I count this as 5-wave correction. WXY XZ. So the Z wave is what I'm still looking for to complete. Okay, even if the price keeps going up, I will not buy until it goes above this level. When it goes above this level, by then I will know that here is the bottom. But for now, I expect this to happen. But don't be in a haste to sell. Let it show you that it is selling. But for now, no buy, no sell until it breaks this low. Okay, and then nothing to show on 2 hours and 1 hour. So no need to going down there. The same thing, once it breaks this channel, the selling. Okay. Gold. You know, gold, I know. Let me go back to 4 hours on gold. Gold, when this happened, you know, when I said that I'm expecting gold to drop, I know the reason and I know what I saw on the chart. Some analysts saw here as the bottom of gold, but I know that gold is still going down to 16 something, and I said this in one of my videos. Right now, gold is going up. Gold may not come back again, but gold may do something like this. After coming here, it may come here. It may even do this, but it may not take this low. It may. But for now, I see gold strongly going up. We may move above this level the coming week, and the upper week, we target this level, 1900. Unless we see a strong reversal pattern. But for now, gold is buying, silver is buying. So let's go to silver. Silver, just like gold, they put up the same behavior last week. You can see it. It made a corrective move, broke it, and it's going up. As a matter of fact, if I see silver to correct when market opens next week, I will buy silver, and I may not buy gold because it has moved so much, but I would like to buy silver. You know, silver is still starting the move. Okay. New Zealand USD. New Zealand USD, I'm expecting it to drop. No. I saw this as wave 1. Then I'm expecting this and then wave 2. So even if this move, we may get this. This move can do this and make a new high. As long as the new high could not go above this level, even if it got, I will still label it wave 2, and I will look for sell from there. Unless I see something that shows me that Rudy is no longer selling, then I will change my focus to be buying. Maybe we may test this level again, but I think we're gonna break this low and the selling will continue. Pound JPY. Pound JPY, what do I see here? I now see only reason to sell, no reason to buy until the market goes below this level. Or maybe to retest this channel. You know, I've broken it, pierced it, got away from it, it's coming back to it again. It's not to break it, but I'm looking for ABC. The ABC might be a flat, and if it's the flat, it's not the C may not come to below to this level, then buying. So you know this is 4 hours chart. The selling will still make sense if you get corrective move on 1 hour. You can see this is 1 hour. If we can get a move like this, let me show you something. This is 1 hour. So if we can get a move to this level from here to this level, okay, then so this is what I expect to get. So if JPY give us 3 waves move to this level, then I will sell. Then from here, I will look for buy. Okay. Pounds USD. Pounds USD, from this level, I'm expecting the pounds USD to give me this buy. It kept doing this. But one thing I like is that it could not go below this channel properly. Even if it kept doing this, even if it keeps moving, doing this, I don't mind, because sure, if you solely do this. So let me, in this thread, what I will do, you know, this is 4 hours. Any correction I saw from here, I will not wait for it to break this level, but the best thing to do is to break this level before you buy. I've said it again and again. I will tell you the best thing to do, and I will tell you the risky one I normally do. I take a lot of risk. Sure, I admit it. It's not the best, but maybe it's my nature to do that. But I don't take blind one. I don't take blind risk. For instance, I cannot sell this. No. It will be a blind risk. But to be conservative, wait for this market to go above this channel. But me, if I see direction, I will buy from here. But you know, why I say risk, it may suddenly move down. It does happen sometimes. Okay, so trade safely. Don't trade aggressively unless you have known how to read your chart and you know how to trade aggressively. Even if whenever I trade in aggressive manner, I always use little loss size. Then when the trading is in my favor, I will not add to my positions. So even if you want to trade aggressively or with some risk, you better use smaller size. Okay, so that if it backfires, you will laugh because you lose a little. So GBP CHF, I'm expecting an ABC. So a corrective move here. Then now, I mean, if I get a corrective move from this, you know, is already in the blue box. If I get a corrective move, I will sell. If I get a sharp move, I'll prepare for buy. So it's simple. So ABC, or maybe ABC, whichever one. All I know that is this market is going to this level. Either it go from here or it go from here. So that is it. I don't need to talk much on that. you like, you may go to 1 hour and do what I did on pounds JPY. So there's no rocket science doing that. Okay. Pounds CAD. Pounds CAD. This is another harmonic pattern. This one I think is it shark or cipher? I don't know, but one of those patterns that usually occur in the market, often occur in the market. Okay, so and I'm expecting the market to drop, but it went up. Let me go to 2 hours. So now, in my opinion, the selling is not yet over. That's my opinion. So, what do we expect? Either the market will turn. This is a channel. You can see this line is a channel. Either the market will turn on this channel, begin to go down, but it may not go down very fast. It may move like this. You see this, it may move like this and come to this level, or it will pierce this and then turn to this level. Now, what is the meaning of all I'm saying? I'm not gonna buy until the market goes above this level. If it go above this level, I'm not gonna buy. Because to me, I see it as the market is still selling. Okay. Pounds to New Zealand. Pounds to New Zealand. Pounds to New Zealand. I'm expecting the pair to drop once more. It's either this is A, this is B, and this will drop. It's dropped already, so we may get A, B, C. So I'm expecting the market to. Hey, I'm expecting the market to move like this, then like this before doing this. That is to give us A, B, C. So to complete this bigger, to complete the bigger A, B, C. So this is what I'm expecting. Once I see the market go above this level, I will be preparing for the drop. Okay. That's for no. On the pounds ZAR. On pounds ZAR, pounds ZAR, just like USD ZAR I showed you earlier, I'm looking for a drop. So probably here is wave 1, wave 2, then 3, 4, 5. So wave C, I expect wave C to drop to this blue box. So I don't see anything to buy the pounds ZAR. I can only see anything to sell. And the selling needs, it depends on what happens when the market opens. I need to see a sharp drop. And of course, I don't trade pounds ZAR. I don't trade ZAR pair because the broker I'm using now, the spread is too much. The spread is too much on the broker I'm using now. So, but I need to analyze it for those who can trade it. I'm looking for sell. Once the market goes below this here, it is a sell market. Unless it goes correctively, maybe something like this, maybe it's going to move like this, then don't buy because, sorry, don't sell because it's gonna do this. Okay, but if we see a strong move, then look for this and it will drop. Okay. Pounds AUD. Once AUD is moving so slow, but it's gonna drop. It's dropping. I don't see it buying from here, though it may happen, but I'm expecting an A, B, C. So and we're getting A, getting B. The C, we shall definitely cut to this level. So once it comes to this place, I will look for buy, maybe on 1 hour time frame or on 2 hours time frame. Okay, so you can see the market is moving sideways. So I'm expecting either a drop from here or a little move to this channel and the final drop. I prefer to see it move to this upper channel because selling it from here will give me more profit than selling it from here. So when it goes up, don't get confused. Rather, be happy because it's gonna drop, and it will be a chance to give us more profit. New Zealand CAD. New Zealand CAD is going up. You see, after all this move, I expected. I think I have shown this move, this chart before. Or okay, it's AUD CAD. Sorry, AUD CAD and New Zealand CAD have similar behavior. They make similar behavior. After this strong move, I'm expecting the price to move from here. After giving us this, it dropped very, very low again. You know, many people stop loss will be we hit before the market turns, but nevertheless, it does not matter. What matters is that the selling have not expired. Once we get an A, B, C, then so I mean the buying have not expired, please. So buying is what I'm looking for and nothing more. So correction, the buy continues, and buying here is the stop loss. Then if what happens again, maybe I may go to maybe daily chart to know if something else is happening, which I did not check. But for now, I can only see reason to buy. New Zealand JPY. New Zealand JPY. This pair structure is not an easy one to trade, but nevertheless, one good thing about it is that it is have a big channel. So because of the big channel, it broke it and come back to it again. So once it keeps dropping, if it keeps dropping and drops below here, then the selling is now confirmed once more. But if it gives us these 3 waves, then what happens here, we enable me to know whether I will sell it or not. But if you're confused on this pair, ignore it and focus on other pairs because there are many instruments to trade. You mustn't trade all. Okay, so that is for New Zealand JPY. New Zealand CHF. New Zealand CHF. I don't like how the CHF, some CHF page is moving. The New Zealand CHF, as a matter of fact, in my opinion, I thought it from here it will come down. But what I don't understand is why it's behaving like this. This is a pin bar. It went up fast. Another pin bar. It went up fast. So for this reason, I need to watch it to know what it's trying to do. I may not trade this pair coming week. This type of move, I don't like it because whenever the market is doing like this, you may enter a pair, put a stop loss at the low. It will just come down, kill a stop loss, and begin to go your direction. It may seem as if you don't know what you're doing, but some pairs behave the way that is somehow strange. So all this sharp move, I don't understand it. So for that, I would advise you to leave this pair alone, unless you want to take the risk. What I mean, you enter sell from here, stop loss here. If it kills it, you forget it. But once you have so many other pairs to trade, why not focus on those that are not behaving in this type of strange manner? JPY is still dropping. Remember, I told you on this pair that we are getting a new low, and as the day comes and goes, it proved me right. Okay, so I'm expecting this. This is 1, 2, 3. This 4 is the running flat. Yes, A, B, C. So it's still going down. I expect it to go to 117.5. But you know, this is 4 hours chart. It will not happen in a week. Maybe within 2 weeks, it may get there. Or it may come to this level and go back. I don't know. But for now, selling is what I see and nothing more. Okay, this is my number, +234 8060809963. This number is on WhatsApp, is on Telegram. You can call it or send SMS. That is, if you want to join my class and you don't see the description of this video. All my videos carries my description. Below it, you will see, you click more, you see links to join my Telegram and other places. Okay. Oh, US 100. I don't have much to say on this pair. Okay, but the other thing is that is moving within the channel as I forecast it will. You can see it moving within the channel. What's happened to this mouse? So maybe the next move is likely we are going here. So for now, so that's it for now. No need for I don't see set it up. US starting is also buying. Any to pull back is an opportunity to buy. Nifty, the same thing. Any to pull back is opportunity to buy. So this won't happen again, at least for now. Okay, Nikkei is what gave us a deep correction, but you can see it is buying again. So, but it will be safe to confirm. I forgot. Here confirms the buying. Once it goes above here, you can buy, or if you get correction from here, you buy. Dow. Dow is also moving up. So anything pull back to this level, opportunity to buy. German tax, DAX. It's going up. Last time I talked about it, I said this will happen. Has happened. So now look for the two pullback. Maybe this type of move, then it will keep going up. That's one thing. Nikkei 100. Nikkei 100 is moving as we forecasted. So you see, I did this. So as it's going just like that. Okay. So, and then any move down is an opportunity to buy again. Tesla, the same thing is going up, and this correction, it will go up again. Copper, there's something I see in on copper. Copper may like to drop again. Okay, copper, as long as let me remove this. Okay, let me shift it rather. Until we see a sharp move, this type of move, if I don't see it on copper, I'm still expecting it to drop, but I don't know how far it will drop. It may just drop. It may just drop below this level before going up. So once I don't see a sharp move, I'm expecting this to happen again. Nickel, sorry, not Nikkei. Nickel, after crossing, after it finished the correction, is now going up again. So what do we expect on nickel? Nothing but this, nothing but that. So Nasdaq Composite, they are all going up. They are all going up. Okay, I've got to the end of this video. The next one will be cryptos. I want to do cryptos today separately because I want to prepare their charts. Okay, though I have lesson with students tonight, so I may do that so quickly as you guys thought I will. Okay, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like our video, make your comment, ask your questions, join our Telegram channel. If you want to learn, I only charge little money, very little money, and I will give you a great value. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Trade with care. Bye.